There, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp at PC. So open the Microsoft Store. Now go to the search bar. Now go to the search bar and type WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Now click install. Now once it's installed, click open. Now WhatsApp is installed in your computer. Now click get started. Now you will see this page. So take your phone, open WhatsApp, go in the three dots and tap link devices and then link a device. Point your phone at the screen to capture your RQ code. Then you will get WhatsApp at your laptop, PC, computer or PC. Well, that's all it. Bye.